How to sync your contacts on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you may follow up this step. So for that, first thing is ensuring your phone's contact permissions. So you may head over to settings first, and then from here scroll down and look over the option called apps. After going over to apps, you may use the search bar at the top right and directly search for WhatsApp and tap on it. Once you locate up WhatsApp, we have this permission section. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after tapping on permissions, make sure you have given access to contacts. Tap on it and tap on allow if not. Once that is done, you may hit back and in your setting only, look for the option called accounts and backup. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, head over to manage accounts option. After going over to manage accounts, scroll down and look for WhatsApp option. And here we will be finding option of sync account. All you gotta do is simply tap on that option. And here we have this contacts option. Go ahead and enable this option on, and it will automatically sync up your contacts on WhatsApp. So that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.